This is a tutorial on how to set up a MailChimp feed in Gravity Forms. So first I go to Forms and then I find the form that I want to set up the feed for. I do have to make sure I'll just open up another tab. I have to make sure if it's a new website that I have the MailChimp add-on enabled. There it is, it's enabled, it's active, so that's good. Once it's enabled, when I go to the account that I want to set up, I go to settings and MailChimp will be there and I click on that. I also have gone in to the MailChimp account that I'm going to tie it to, and I've pre-set up the tags by going to audience and then tags. And then in this case, I'm setting up the book waitlist tag. I get here to the book waitlist. I've clicked on MailChimp. I have to click MailChimp settings, connect to MailChimp. And this is where it's helpful that I've already logged into MailChimp, because then it will just automatically, it's not going to let me. I have to log in again, I guess. And then yes, allow. And then it's going to make me, I don't know why it makes me do this, but it's making me log in again. I don't know what's going on. This is not good. It's not connecting. It's doing a loop. Okay. Well, that's good that we have that in the SOP because it did make me go through it a couple times for whatever reason, but now it's working. Now that's taking me back to the Gravity form settings. So I have to go back to the form, and then there's book waitlist, settings, MailChimp. And now it's going to say you don't have a feed configured, create one. So I click create one. And now to keep it consistent, I'm going to call this book waitlist. And the audience, the email address is email. Address, I won't worry about any of that. First name is already populated. Phone number, if there is one, I don't think there is phone. And then double opt-in, I usually uncheck that box. Tags, book, wait list, just like I have it in the tags here with the right punctuation, like capital versus non-capital. I think that does matter. And then save settings. And now this form is connected so that when they fill out the form on the book waitlist, it will automatically tag and add it to that Body Soul School MailChimp audience and add them in the tags here. And that is how you do that. In the next video, we're going to talk about how to create automated notifications with Gravity Forms. Check it out.